For this next part, let's have some fun with music. For what is dance without music, right? So for this section, we've chosen a very popular non-Bharatanatyam song for us all to explore through the ideas of Abhinaya that we gathered in the previous exercise. So for this, I'm also going to include another layer, which is the gestures that we use in Bharatanatyam using our hands and our fingers. So we'll take the popular song, Kal Raat Aaya Mere Ghar Ek Chor. So what does this line mean? Kal Raat, last night, Aaya, came, Mere Ghar, my house, Ek Chor, a thief. So we're just going to use these simple hand gestures to represent what each word means. I'll repeat that again. Last night came my house a thief. Alright? So now we're going to infuse these gestures with emotions because that is what is going to add meaning and life to these gestures, and that's what we do in Bharatanatyam as well. So I will have Harini come and demonstrate this line through the emotion of Adbhuta or wonderment. Let's see how that looks.
कल रात आया मेरे घर एक चोर.
Now let's look at the same song explored through the emotion of Raudram or anger.
कल रात आया मेरे घर एक चोर.
Now let's take the same song, same line, but add one more layer of complication. Rather than do the full line with one emotion, let's try to associate each word and action with a different emotion. Let's see what that looks like. So when you do Kal Raat, I want you to have Adbhuta or wonderment. Now when you do Aya, instead of Adbhuta, I want you to try doing it with Bhayanaka or fear. And Mere Ghar as somebody seeking Karuna, so somebody pitiable. Karuna, Mere Ghar. And Ek Chor with Raudram and anger. Okay, so now this different emotion associated with each word creates a context for the line. It starts to draw a picture where we are not just demonstrating what each word means, but we are weaving a story. So who is telling the story? What are they feeling about the story? And that's what happens when you express different words with each line. Let's see how that looks like with the music.
कल रात आया मेरे घर एक चोर.
Now what we saw Harini do told us a very clear story. The same line, however, when done using other different emotions, can tell a completely different story. Let me demonstrate one such different story using other emotions for each word. And for this story, I will not break down the emotion for you, but rather I want you to guess what emotion I'm using and what the story could be. Let's see it, shall we?
कल रात आया मेरे घर एक चोर.
This was a small glimpse into the large world of Bharatanatyam. In the next video, you will see how the different elements of Bharatanatyam, the Nritya, the Abhinaya, and also the Aharya, the stage, the music, everything comes together in order to create a holistic experience. I hope you enjoy watching that, and thank you for being here.